Yeah, excuse me, ma'am. Both of you look it up, please. Madam, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Thank you. We'll see you. Go right side.
मैम इधर भी
Right side. एक साथ
यार येलो लाइट मारना यार गोविंद भाई
right side. Excuse me, ma'am. पर नौकर कर. Excuse me, straight. Ma'am, look straight here, ma'am. Ma'am, straight. One more. Here, straight.
हाँ
Ma'am, just.
You left?
Yes, straight. Yes, ma'am, you're straight. One more.
You left, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You left.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. अभी से थोड़ी
One more here. Oh, yes, straight here, ma'am. Ritika here. Straight. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Straight, excuse me. Thank you. Ma'am, just. Thank you. Hey, Manju.
जी आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई देगी?
हाँ ये अच्छा ऊपर रखिए मैंने मैम क्या कहेंगे परफेक्ट वुमेन आपके लिए डेफिनेशन क्या होगी परफेक्ट वुमेन?
I honestly believe that a woman who is unapologetically herself and who is comfortable in her skin and with her perfect imperfections, she is the perfect beauty as per me.
क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए परफेक्ट वुमेन बनने के लिए?
डेयरिंग हो और आत्मविश्वास हो और एक ऐसी महिला who values her own happiness, who values her self-esteem. ऐसी महिला को मैं बहुत ही bold, strong, beautiful and perfect मानती हूँ। जी
आपकी ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है जब आप शो में हिस्सा लिया?
जी I think when I was 18 years old, I had taken part in the Miss Andhra beauty pageant and I won the crown. Or I was very nervous that night, I remember, as a contestant. एंड कहीं ना कहीं मुझ में ये बिलीफ था कि वो क्राउन मैं जीतूंगी, क्योंकि ये ठान लिया था मैंने उस रात. तो मुझे लगता है कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सेल्फ बिलीफ, सेल्फ इमेज, and these factors truly matter when it comes to showcasing one's personality.
बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ कि कौन विनर होगा बिकॉज आई एम जजिंग एंड दिस द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम जजिंग अ ब्यूटी पेजेंट. बचपन में आई वाज वेरी फैसिनेटेड बाय ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स एंड मिस इंडिया एंड मिस वर्ल्ड एंड दिस माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस. देखते हैं, कंटेस्टेंट से थोड़ी बहुत मुलाकात हो गई थी, अभी मैं बैक स्टेज. The key factor for judging would be a girl who comes out with confidence, grace, poise, and above all, एक खूबसूरत इंसान, you know, दिख के आना चाहिए. That would be the criteria of judging for me.
क्या जजिंग आपके लिए टफ होने वाला है?
नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं लगता. आजकल मैं इतने सारे कॉलेजेस में मिस्टर एंड मिस मल्हार हो गया, ये हो गया. So I'm like judging so many colleges, so I think this will be really easy for me.
I'm very excited. The girls are lovely. I've met them when I've seen them backstage and I've met them. They're lovely and I'm looking forward to the entire judging process.
And what will be the criteria of judging?
The confidence with which they carry themselves, their overall experience, the whole overall aura with which they are conducting each round. There are 4 different rounds and there are different things expected out of each round. So on that, and also about on their intelligence, how well they answer the questions that are asked to them. So I think an overall personality of each girl is what we'll be using to judge.
And there is any limitation around the age factor?
I don't know whether they've got, so I'm a judge, I don't know whether they've taken a limitation with the age, but I know they've not taken a limitation with the height. So which is nice in a way, because it gives an opportunity to many girls who are not really that tall to participate. A lot of girls' dream is that even I want to participate, even I want to win. So people who aren't so tall generally don't get an opportunity, and here they have selected girls who aren't, all of them aren't. So that's nice. So they'll get, all these pageants are good because they give a lot of confidence to all the girls who get selected. And it gives them an opportunity to come into Mumbai, and then God knows which doors will open for them and where they'll reach.
You would like to say about your new collections?
Yes, so I'm working on about 5 new collections. I'm launching them on the 7th of Jan. I have a very big show happening at Sahara Star. All of you all please come. It's called the Archana Kochhar Show, and we are through that show raising money to do 100 pediatric heart surgeries at Kokilabhen Hospital. It's done by the Rotary Club of India, and I'm really looking forward to that show, and I'm really looking forward to launching my 5 new collections at that show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Quite excited and quite looking forward to the evening because मैं पहली बार judge कर रही हूँ and I'm new to that. But yeah, my followers are the youngsters, so yeah, I'm quite excited and looking forward for the evening.
What will be the criteria about the judging?
I think it should be something very spontaneous, very genuine, because I think it should come out from the heart. That's what is more important.
जैसे आप परफेक्ट महिला हो, परफेक्ट वुमेन की आपके लिए परिभाषा क्या है?
Perfect woman, according to me, is someone who is extremely genuine, loyal,
Thanks for your time and joining us this evening. In the judges panel, that was Maria.
आ गया हीरो, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कितना एक्साइटेड है? प्रोमो देखा?
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, बहुत
And we'd like to call up on stage Mr. Imran Furnishawala. Is he here?
And I hope
Yes.
everybody also enjoys the
Well,
film.
he's the
जितना
director
हमने
and
enjoy किया जब उसे
producer
देखा.
who's
And
born in a
I'm just
family
looking forward for the release of the
traditionally
film.
owning cinema halls, multiplexes, entertainment and hospitality business. He's into making short films, feature films, which have won awards in various film festivals and have also released online film Imran. How are you doing?
दिनों के बाद आपके डैडी को
Oh, that's
बड़े
okay.
पर्दे पर
Please come up close to me. I won't bite your head off. I promise I'll be nice to you.
करे जो भी करे मुझे बहुत
So
मजा आता
Imran,
है
how excited are you about
स्क्रीन
the
पे
girls
देखते
this
हुए.
evening?
So yes, अभी waiting for this movie also to come and all our support and love to him always.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा उनकी स्ट्रगल काफी लंबी थी बड़े पर्दे पर
Do you
आने के
think
लिए,
this
तो वो
year's
क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ambience
जो
is
एक
just
छोटा सा
really nice
जो गैप
with
रहा
the
उनके
seas,
करियर में,
waves
तो उसके बारे
lashing
में
on
क्या
one
कहना
side
चाहेंगे?
and the
कितना
pool on
सपोर्ट
the
किया?
I
other.
think सिर्फ एक ही साल का गैप था, उससे पहले तो we had come in Kill Dill and Happy Ending and Holiday, so there were so many films. So एक साल is not a major
Thank
gap.
you so much for taking out your time and joining our judges panel this evening.
I think I'll be having a party in my house and be with my family and just have a good, nice family party.
31st के बाद क्या प्लान है आपके कुछ?
Now, when we talk about
ये बताएं।
entertainment, comedy can't be too far behind, can it?
बनाया आपने को
Today we call him Ace Comedian
क्या छोड़ना है, क्या
amongst
पकड़ना
us.
है?
Oh, no,
I'm talking
no,
about
no, क्योंकि जब मैं
Neil
बोलती हूँ कि
Parr,
मुझे
Well, we'd like you to please come up on stage
अच्छा हैप्पी विश
and get the mood going and jovial with some of your jokes.
Prosperous New Year.